Okay, Chris, so we're now going to be going through Key Tool Plus to Mercedes key. In a spur key situation, all you need is a working key, connect to the car by OBD. Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
And we need to have an exhaust remote. The exhaust remote is going to go inside here when ready. Okay, so we can put that in now. On the instructions I've given you one side for a spur key situation, other side for an all keys lost situation. So we're going to go for the spur key situation. The spur key situation is going to involve 4 steps. Reading the EIS password, so electronic ignition switch password, we know that as like the PIN code from any other car. You then need to use the PIN code to get the EEPROM data, because technically, even though it's by OBD, it's not programming, it's EEPROMing. Then you're going to prepare the key. So basically, when we get the EEPROM data, we're going to strip out and just get the key data. And then the last step, write the keys, we just choose a slot of key data. And these are the steps written down. Password calculation, EIS tools, prepare key, read, write key. And we're going to follow them steps. So turn it on, we go to IMO programming. Agree. We go down to Benz. We go search by system. Right, and the first one on our list is what? We'll go password calculation. Press start. It then says data acquisition, because that's what it says here. Select, click on data acquisition. Add key, because we've got a working key. Now we need to select the VIN number. So it's the first 3 numbers on the VIN, which is also written on the I. So this says 169. So you delete for 169 on there. Go on. I'm upside down. Yeah, belting. And you're going to click wizard mode. Now it won't work in our instance because we're not plugged into a car. But basically it's going to go through all these steps one by one on its own. It's just going to take the key out, put it in the eye. Take it out, put it in there. Take it out, put it back in. And it's this kind of process. And once it's finished that, it's going to show your password. You take a picture of it. That is then the password stage done. You then go back and you click on the next step, which is EIS tools, yeah?
Yep.
EIS tools.
That's ESL.
Yep. Did I say ESL then, sorry?
Yeah.
So I'm upside down here. There you go. Right. Start programming and then again pick the VIN number. So it's 169. You can choose this auto detect, but I just prefer click on it. There it is. Yeah. Right, and you're going to click read EIS data via OBD, because I'm OBD. The IR is a cable you get in the Key Tool Plus, but it's crap. So you do OBD because you're plugged in by OBD. Alright, it's going to fail because we're not actually connected to the car. And basically what it'll do now is, it'll read the data and let you save it. So you'll save it there. So now you've got the password and you've got the EIS data. Next step is prepare key. So go back, keep going back until you can click on prepare key file. Click start, prepare key file, and now you're going to load in the file you've just saved. So it's loading the file it's just saved, which obviously would always be at top. Okay, and at this moment it's probably going to ask you to use that version 51. Okay, you know why you use version 51?
It's universal.
So we're going to use that, and then the last step then, so you've read the password, you've used the password to get the EEPROM file, you've now just used the EEPROM file to get the key file, and then you're just going to click read write key. And you select read write key by IR, press go, and you put your new key in the hole, alright? And you literally just click write the key, press OK, and load the file. Have a whole list of files here, key slot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Always choose the highest number that says unused.
Okay.
So normally number 1 and 2 is used and you'd pick 7 or 8.
Okay.
Click write and it'll then write that key. That key will then start the car. Job done.
Okay.
Brilliant.